Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another one. Today I got some guests on here. I got the girls with me. We're back out here at the Little Red River. The water is way higher today after that rain. So I'm not sure what's going to bite, but we're going to go after bluegill for sure. And pretty much whatever a bite of red worm. So we got some night crawlers and red worms. So y'all stay tuned and let's see if we can catch these girls some fish today. So today's water conditions, a little muddy as you can see. We had a storm here in Arkansas last night and much needed actually, but fishing conditions ain't just the greatest, but the girls want to get out and go. And I'm not sure how the fish are going to bite this afternoon, but we're definitely going to try to get a line wet and try to catch a few bluegill and whatever else bites, so definitely stay tuned. There's, oh no, throw my rod in the water. Caught us a little bluegill. First one of the day here. The water's really high. There's a little guy. First one. Boom. We caught one. Woo! Pretty good one. Yeah, that's a pretty one. Yeah, that's a real pretty one. Yeah, that's a good one. What? Yep. Nice bluegill. Throw him back. Shoot. And what are we trying to catch?
Bluegill.
Bluegill, that's right. Or whatever bites, huh?
Yeah, I got a big bass.
Heck yeah. Alright, just bring it into you. Don't reel no more. Abby got one. Heck yeah, sister. Her first bluegill. Heck yeah. Alright. Oh, that's a good one. Alright. Lift it up. You got too much. There you go. Woo-hoo-hoo. You got one. That's a pretty one. Heck yeah. Good job, sis. High five. Toss it in. There it goes. Reel in a little bit. Still on there? You got him? Alright. Whoop. Hey, okay. Grab a hold of the... There you go. You got him. Yeah. Heck yeah. And I got her another one. This is what she's been wanting to do. She's been wanting to get out and catch a few fish. And we got us a few, didn't we, sister?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, sissy. Get ready. Oh, no, you almost had him. Having us a little bit of picnic today. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich, some barbecue chips, and a water. And what a prettier spot to do it. Alright, so we're having us a little lunch break. Water's really, really high and muddy from the rain and storms the other day. We've caught a couple little fish. Nothing crazy just yet. We're gonna keep trying, but girls are back there enjoying them a peanut butter and jelly and some barbecue chips. So having us a little picnic today.
So just like this. Go back. Just like this. No. Then just like we're there. Like that. Okay.
Yeah. Hold on. Hang on, hold on. It's a bass. Big old bass. Oh my goodness.
This is heavy.
Okay, hold on. Let me loosen the drag a little bit. Oh no. Go that way.
This is heavy.
Oh, hang on, hold up.
This is a big one.
Hold up, he's around a log. Oh my gosh.
I was not expecting that.
He's a big one. Oh, don't pull too tight. All right, so hold your rod. Try to reel some. Don't pop its line. Oh, Emma, she got a big one. Reel it some. Let it fight. Okay, reel a little bit.
I need the 50. Oh, go on it.
Go slow. Okay, come in for a minute.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Abigail,
Huge!
get a hold of it, Abby.
The pole!
Here,
Oh my god!
video sister.
I am!
That's Sissy's big old bass. That's a good grief.
Oh my god!
Way to go, sis. Golly. What do you think of that?
I love it!
What you got, sis? Show me. Show me what you got real quick before we release him. That's a good bass, ain't it? Heck yeah. Alright, take it right over there. Find you, don't fall.
Oh, heck yeah.
Find you a good little spot and just hold him in there real slow.
Daddy, I broke.
Yep, hold him. Get him in the water and hold him really slow. And he'll take off when he's ready. There he goes.
Bye!
You got one. What you got? A bluegill? Whoa. Let it out a little bit so you don't break the rod. Put your rod down by your waist. There you go. You got it. It looks like a pretty good one. Down here, sister. Sister, set your rod down there by you so you can lift up on it. You're gonna have to pick up on it, baby. Like this. Set your rod down here. Yeah, like that. Oh, that's a big one too. Heck yeah. A real good one. Big old hand-sized bluegill. Golly. Heck yeah. Yep. That was a good one. Far overall, it's been a pretty good day. The girls got to catch them a few fish today. They've been wanting to go, and it's the first time we get out with them to try to catch a few. Caught a few bluegill, and Abby caught a pretty nice little bass. It's been pretty fun so far. So. I think we're hooked up. Oh! You get it?
Is that a small bluegill?
Yep, that's a female bluegill. What do you think?
Wait,
That's what I'm talking about, sister.
wait.
Another small bluegill. Not too bad. Y'all having a good time?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Hey, sis. Oh, that's a good one. Here, pull your rod down, sister. Yeah. Dude, that's a big one. That a girl? That is a good one, sister. Let's try to get it off the hook here. Let me see. I'll let you throw it back.
That bluegill?
Hold that. Yeah. Yeah, that's a bluegill.
Where's the clown? Huh? Where's the clown?
Okay, can you hold it by the lip? Got it? Show me. Show the camera, and then you can throw it back. Heck yeah, sis. That's a good one, baby. Throw it back.
Bye-bye.
Try to get another one. Alright guys, well, that'll be a wrap on this video. Got the girls out today. We caught us a few fish, had us a good time. It was real pretty today, and we've been wanting to do this for a while. This is going to be the first video with them for this year, and there will be many more to come. Emma, you got anything you want to say?
I'm super glad we got to come today and catch all the fish we did.
What about you, sis?
Slap that like button. Like for my daddy.
Slap that like button and what?
Like for my daddy.
And subscribe to this channel, please. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.